we'll guide you through how to make a Notion e-commerce Notion website. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser, then move to the search bar at the top and click it so you can enter what you need. Type Notion into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard to load the results. When the results appear, select the first website you see in your browser to open the Notion homepage. After the site loads, log in or sign into your account so you can access all of your workspace features. Once you are inside your account, go to the Marketplace inside Notion, which is where all the templates are collected. After you enter the Marketplace, look for the section called Templates and open it. Inside the Template section, press the search bar so you can type in what you are looking for. Type e-commerce into the search bar and wait for the results to appear. When the e-commerce templates show up, select the free one that appears and suits your needs. Inside the template page, press the Add button, then select Private so the template gets added to your private section and becomes part of your own workspace. After the template is added, look to the left bar in Notion and find the new template you just added. Once you locate it, click the template to open it and load all of its content. Inside the page, you are free to change anything you want, starting with the title. Click the title at the top and replace it with your own name or store name to match your brand. You can also adjust any of the sections inside the page based on the layout of the template you selected. After you finish changing the title, scroll down inside the page to check the product section included in the template. This section usually holds example products so you can see how the layout works. You can edit any of the products by clicking on them and changing the name, description, price, or images to match your own items. Keep scrolling and make sure each item reflects what you want to offer in your e-commerce site. You can also add new products by pressing the button inside the product database if you need more entries. Once everything is updated, the template now works as your own e-commerce Notion website that you can customize even more if needed.